Traders, the power of the markets just got a little sexier. Last week, 10 traders were crowned victorious, each scoring a 50K evaluation.
Going on, everybody? ProTrader Mike, founder of MOJO Day Trading. Hope everyone's had a wonderful weekend. Got my Apex Trader funding shirt on, yes sir. Got my MOJO hat on. Got my race lucky bracelet on. Green on. Got hope chip. I'm ready to trade today. Let's go. Let's head over to the main screen and see what's happening. And also, I'm going to be listening to Lola. Her head got cut off. I don't know why. But
Traders,
you can just watch her boobs.
Traders, the power of the markets just got a little sexier. Last week, 10 traders were crowned victorious, each scoring a 50K evaluation account thanks to Apex Trader funding and the unstoppable MOJO Day Trading crew. And guess what? We're doing it again this week. That's 10 more accounts, $500,000 in fresh evaluation power, and multiple ways you can enter and win. All you have to do is click the contest link below, follow the steps, and let fate, or maybe just Wonder Lola, handle the rest. Don't wait, don't doubt. Your funded future might just be a few clicks away. I'll be watching and announcing those winners very soon. I'm Wonder Lola, defender of profits.
Defender of profits and deliverer of capital. Like that, right?
Defender of profits.
Beautiful. So what's going on here? Hope everyone had a good weekend. What's up, Andrew? What's up, Moose? Mission Impossible. You see the BMW mission, huh? You see the BMW, huh? Nice. Yeah, let's head on over to my main screen and show you what's going on. All right, do some trading too. Just had a quick trade right there. I made 142 on that. We'll grind this one up right here. We'll just get it off 6 micro, put it on 2 micros. Let me head over to the screen. All right. Yeah. Watching the level 2 on my SQQ. That's my edge. This is the Dash Trader platform. These are the NASDAQ gainers. On the list is DGLY. See here, 50% winner. Form a MOJO swing pick right here. It's on the move. They make digital cameras for policemen and stuff like that. Another one on the gainers list is my MLGO, my micro algo, picked at 6. It's at $9.30 on 6 million shares this morning on that one. And former one is GURE, G-U-R-E, at $1 Heinz. Went to $1.61 this morning, that one. And the overall markets are red. You have the NASDAQ is, my SQQ is up and the NASDAQ futures are down. And we do some trading. That's what we're going to do. And we're going to do an Apex giveaway today. Got the MOJO day trading room happening. I'm doing a giveaway in the MOJO day trading room for my traders only. So you could see that in the main chat this morning. The first thing in there right there.
Hey, good morning, Mike.
Hey, good morning. I'll explain to you what the rail grind is as well. Just need to delete these messages right here. I was teaching last night a lesson for one of the traders about the rail grind. Let me show you what the rail grind is as I was explaining to him. So we go into the futures course. This is one right here this morning. So you could see as the price, I'll show you, let me get my pen out. This is the 5-minute chart on SQQ. So as SQQ rises, you want to short the NASDAQ futures, watch. So it's going to go through $40 right here. That's the play at $39.98. Enter in the short right here. See that right on the X? Boom. X marks the spot. And then you nailed it. It went 40.11 right to 19, sold 24, went into 51. Here's the chair right above 20% on the stochastics. Here's 80%. The chairlift went right up into rail grind. Here's the rail, 80%. And you can see it went right above that. Is that a common denominator? Yes. Here's yesterday. Rail grind up at 98%, going through Heinz, $38. SQQ going through even number 38, playing the short, went to 38.34. Here's this day before, same thing. And I call it the rail grind because you're like anybody who's been skiing before. Show you. Here's the chairlift. You get on the chairlift, all these little chairs, they're all going up the mountain. And then right here, you get off the chairlift and you start to ride the rail. As long as it goes to the right, you stay in it. Look how long this one stayed in. Beautiful. It's a mechanism to stay in the stock or the futures trade longer. Here's the stochastics on this move through 39 to 39.50, just as it went from 40 to 40.50. Chairlifting up into the rail grind, riding the rail. Here's a really long one on the 1-minute chart. So this is one of the longest 1-minute rail grinds in the history of MOJO day trading right here. It lasted from 11:30 a.m. to 12, a half an hour. It went through $37 and it rode up on the chairlift into the rail from here. And it kept on going, 37.45. Look at that one. That's just magnificent. That's a 1-minute rail grind. Here's another one riding up into rail twice, going through $35. Here's another beautiful one, rail grinding right up through $34 into $35.30 at 97% stochastic. I switch from the 1-minute to the 2-minute to the 5-minute, Andrew. As long as you switch like this 1-minute right here, I switched to the 2-minute, then the 5-minute, and it still was in rail grind. See, this is a 2-minute, just entering in rail grind. Then I go right here, 2-minute, right here, it's at 98%. I'll switch to the 5 minute. Here's a 2 minute. Here is a 1 minute rail grind through $38. Here is a 2 minute rail grind through $38 at 99% stochastic. And yeah, so that's a whole bunch of them right there that I'm showing my traders the same pattern over. And I'm going to do a trade right here, entry right here at 10 to 7. I'm going to put one up at 54, 56, another one. And I'm going to cover and do one more. And I'm going to cover one of them right here at 54 bucks. I'll do it add and replace. Watch. Add, put it there and add to the order. I have 6. So when it takes that one and I have 4, I'm going to add again. Watch. Let me go back to my main screen, fly on over there, and I'll show you how I'm doing this. So I have 6 micros. I have 2 lined up here, and as soon as it takes that one, I'm going to add. Watch. Added. I have 6 again. As soon as it takes that one, I'm going to put another one. I'm going to add again to get the 6 down there. And that's 52 bucks profit. If it goes to 07, I'll sell it back at 10. I'll put one right here. If it ain't taking you, it ain't taking you. Looks like it's going to go lower. I'll get out. Out. 180 bucks. So I went from 140 to 180. Big deal. Big deal. So I'm watching the level 2, trading on the Ninja Trader and the Super Dom through Apex. And I have Lilo and I have Phidias and I have Tradeovate with Tradeify and my funded futures. I have a lot of accounts to trade today. A lot of accounts to trade today. So let me show you what the rail grind is. I'll make a cup of coffee. I don't want to chase it up here. This is me on the rail grind, skiing on my snowboarding, in Killington, Vermont, with the GoPro in hand. That's me. Switch, going all different directions. I'll show you right here. Here's me. I do some rails right here over the box. Woo, right there, flipping over that sucker. Here we go. Here's a nice little, I do a aerial 360 over this sucker the next time I go over. See that? The next time I go over that, I jump in the air and I do a 360 and I land and I go, keep on going on my snowboard. Watch this box jump. Alley-oop. Smooth as butter, boys, on the rail. Mojo rail grinding. I'm like, dude, can you keep up with me? He can't keep up with me, the guy on the camera. I'm like, let's go. Better get this one. Alley-oop. Right on the rail, baby. Right off the rail, mama. Here we go. There we go. You want to see when I have it in my hand? Watch when I do the next one. This is when I have it in my hand on the next lap. A little icy, but it's nice. Here we go. Right on the rail, baby. Watch the 360 coming up right here. Here's a kink. Little kink box. Kink, kink. Rail grinding like a champ. Next one. Alley-oop. Double kink on that one. Here it comes. Watch. 360. You ready? Spin, baby. Yes, sir. That's how you land a butter 360 off a rainbow. Right onto a flat top. Ching, mama. Thank you. Everyone's like, yo, Mojo, you're good, boy. Thank you. Rail grinding like a champ. Here's another one. Alley-oop, baby. Right on the edge of it and right off of it. I'm flying, baby. I'm flying. Yes, sir. That's how it works for the Moj. Ooh, it went from 11 back to 20. I missed a good trade there. Went from 11 back to 20. All right. It went from 11 back to 20. I missed it while I was rail grinding. Ooh. Let's go to the 1 minute chart. It's probably heading up in there. Look, on the chairlift. On the chairlift. We're heading up. I need some coffee. I'm going to go make some coffee. Come back. It'll be at $40 even. Lose 22 cents. And I'll be banging it through the hinds. Or it'll be at 40.40 heading into the high. And I'll wait for it to come back here. And then I'll play it back to 40.50. So the play is from here. Drop 20 cents to $40. We play it back to 40.20. Or it goes from 40.20 to 40.50. We wait for it to drop back to 40.20. So from 40.20 to 40, from 40.20 to 40.50. It's that middle teeter-totter. Which way is it going to go? Which way is it going to go? Either way, it's going to be at this number a lot today, 40.20. You know why? Because it's the date, 4/21, April 21st, smoking day, 4/20. Duh. We're going to be jamming fucking bongs all day, boys. Shit goes down. Go out, come back, long, 4/20. Thank you, 11 to 20. Right, Panda?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir, 11 to 20. I was trying to explain that last night to one of the students I was coaching. I'm like, he's like, when do you sell? I'm like, well, it goes through Heinz. Let's make an example right here. $40. What happens when it touches 11? He's like, I don't know. You sell it all? I'm like, dude, you didn't watch the course at all, right, Panda?
Yeah, he'd know that you hold it till it hits 19.
It's the fastest dime in the ladder. It goes 11 to 19 like a lightning bolt. From 21 to 11 like a lightning bolt, dude. It's the fastest dime in the ladder. He's like, yeah, okay, I know the stopping stations and shit. I'm like, okay. But he did know the stopping stations. But yeah, those kind of sessions, baby. Oh my God, magic. And we're like, dude, he's like, dude, how? I can't believe people are actually doing something right now. Trading, it's like blind. Without SQQ, how can you even see what's going on? I'm like, dude, you're 100% correct. It's the craziest thing. But right now, I have a great handle on the action. You know, and it's just making it hard right now at 420. It's not going to make it easy, but we're going to win just like Justin Thomas did. But we're not going to cry like Rory McIlroy did when we win. Justin Thomas didn't break down and cry on the green when he won yesterday like a fucking pansy, Rory. Oh, I'm Rory McIlroy. Oh, the world's on my shoulders. I won. Oh, crying. You baby loser. Get the fuck up and raise your hands in triumph. Look at the biggest winners of all time. Jack Nicklaus never did that. And Lee Trevino and Chi-Chi and all the guys of the past of your now you're something different and shit. Fuck you. Get the and kissing your wife who you were fucking with your little baby who when she was pregnant in with the bun you were fucking leaving her for another fucking girl. Shut the fuck up. Who you ain't kidding nobody, Rory. Rory. It's my dog's old name. Now I call him Bobo because he's a clown. I call him Bobo the clown. Rory's a joke, man. You see fucking Justin win? Fuck yeah, baby. Rock that shit in the hole. Rock it, mama. Come on, Tiger. We're going to party tonight. Yes, sir. Not, oh, come here, honey. Give me a kiss. I want to go cry on my catty shoulder. You idiot. You idiot. You're never going to win like that again, and you can never triumph. You pansy. Haha. I ranted on Rory McIlroy. He likes me on Facebook, too. And he liked my post. Crazy. Remember that when Rory liked my post on Facebook? Yeah, I got a lot of famous people that follow me and like me, dude. I think I could, where was that Rory McIlroy post? See if I could find it. It's like a notification. I don't even know how to find. Oh, notifications. Here we go. See previous notifications. I gotta switch to me. There we go. Notifications. Here we go. The Golf Channel likes me. Jeff Bingle likes me. He's in my room now. It was more than a week. I have a lot of notifications. I gotta go back. Man, this SQQ freaking, I was going to get it at 19. I missed it. Yeah, it's not giving me more than 2 weeks ago, so I can't pull it up. Ay, 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 SQQ. What are you doing? You were supposed to go lower. Now I'm going to have to wait. I'm going to go make some coffee. How many accounts will survive and how many will be busted? Today, I have every account will survive and none will be busted with me. That's my goal. No resets, no new accounts, only passing evals and padding my PAs. Panda, what was that other one? Padding the PA and what? What was our other new one?
Oh, I added a slug to it.
Oh, I added a slug to it?
Yeah.
Yeah, that's the other one. So I'm going to add a couple of slugs to my account, and I'm going to pad my PAs today.
There you go, buddy.
That's what I'm going to do. Padding the PAs and doing the slugs. Slug-a-dug-dug. I'm going to go make some coffee, cough. You guys watch the screen. $40 is my target. Let's go down to 40. so we can rise back up to 420 like a cloud of smoke. That's my goal. Because look at this rail grind, dude. Since 840, we climbed up. That's a long chairlift, man. To get up to the top of the mountain, that is a long chairlift, dude. Look. See? You got on it right here. Long. It's long, dude. Here's 20%. You're just finally like leaving the ground and something it comes back down. You ever hate that? They stop the chairlift in mid-flight. You're like, what the hell, dude? Here we go. Well, look, they stopped it again. Oh, we're up. Oh my God, a long delay. There's some people down at the bottom that just can't get up. Now we're going up again. And we're in rail grind right here at 82%. Not a big one, but we're in it. And that's what it looks like. So I'll be back. I'm going to go get some coffee. All righty, it's the same price. I made a good video though. Okay, I'm gonna make a video. My coffee maker. Should I post it on Twitter? Let me do that. And we can watch it on Twitter. Look, it went up to 28, down to 21, hasn't done anything. The SQQ. And this is my, oh, look at this beautiful coffee I made with the foam. Ooh, you'll see it on the video. Nice. You can go for lunch, take a ride in a new car for lunch. Mojo life. All right. It's posting, dude. Check this out. While we come into a trade. And I'm doing a giveaway today. So let me get that ready. We'll do a Twitter giveaway. We'll do a, not a Twitter giveaway. We're going to do a YouTube giveaway. YouTube comment picker. So I'd be making some comments on that. And every day I'm giving away in the Mojo day trading room, an Apex and a Lilo and some top, all kinds of, that's it right there. So cha-ching, ching, bada bing. Every day. And you can look in the Mojo day trade room in the main chat. You'll see that baby. So let's see if this thing loaded right here, boys. And show you the life of my coffee maker, my life of the Mojo right here. Here it is. There's the chateau. Look at that. Look at that. That's a dude. Look at that coffee made for me. Look, that's the milk. You put the milk in there, and it makes it all foamy and nice and hot and everything, just like a barista. See, it needs more water. Coffee station. Yummy. Look at that, boys. Sir.
Nice, Mike.
Yes, sir, boys. All from payouts from prop firm trading.
Yeah, good job.
Thank you, man. saw what it took me to get that.
You bought it.
Where the story begins, boys. You saw where I have come from. You guys have been with me for years, and what it's taken me to get to the top of Mount Everest, man, and I did it. Everyone said that I couldn't. Everyone made fun of me. And I left and came back multiple times, never gave up. Even when I was doing it, went out and did something else, and always did multiple businesses and things, never to rely on it until the last 3 years with this prop firm trading. How I knew it was the gold rush of California, and everyone was going to get rich who is in the beginning. And I decided, besides the prospecting and the money, to sell the shovels and the tools. And I have the greatest course. I have the greatest students. People are making it. It's really freaking cool. So this is the bundle. It's $7,249. This is what everybody's in right here. I gave everyone a deal on it. Use the payment plan option right here. There is also a coupon code that you put in at checkout to get the deal. Oh, it went to 38. So just, dude, the courses have helped everybody. My coaching has helped everybody. It's helped me. I've done it. You can do it. Absolutely. There's nothing better. All from prop firm trading. I've gotten 100 payouts from Apex. 100. Do the math. My payouts are $3,000 now, $2,000, all in that range. You gotta love that. A lot of it's come in the last 6 months, 8 months. Very happy. You can do the same thing. You can do the same thing. All you got to do is become a pro trader, learn the edge in the system with the SQQ and how it moves. Look at that. We're in a 1-minute rail grind, guys. Angel Nice, you have a chance to win an account today. Absolutely, boss. Absolutely. So, yeah, it's taken me a long fucking time. Long time. I'm not no PW making 25 grand a day as an affiliate. It's not what I do. And don't make money trading. I make little money as an affiliate and a lot of money trading. I've honed my game. When I go live, I'm not going to like shim and sham and say, oh my God, I lost today. And what am I going to do? And I'll make that back. And I'm going to go back test this, or does Fibonacci's work or not? All that shit's garbage. You're always searching for a system based on positive expectancy. If you get pocket aces at the table in poker, that's a positive expectancy hand that you're going to win. Pocket kings. And that's what I do. That's what I do. At 49 cents, it's going through 50 here. Who knows what it's going to do? It's gambling. Gambling, gambling, gambling. Let's give away an account. Let's give away an account. Coupon code. I think it's March. No. That's gone. Yeah, so find out what the coupon code is. I'll hook you up. Let's load some comments. Let me refresh this. And let's pick a winner. How many people are in it? Here we go. Same thing. Let's load some comments. Done. Manzur, looks like you're going to win. Manzur Khan MKL. I had more than that, though. Let me look. No. Manzer, you won. Official. Done. Congratulations. You just won an Apex account. Nice. You just won a 50K eval. Good job, dude. There you go. Done. Congratulations. Yeah, congrats. Yeah, it's my favorite indicator. One of them, STO, and it's still in the STO right there. I switched to the 2-minute. See, it's still in there. It's above 18,100. 18,100 is 40.36. 40.38. 40.38 is 18,100 on the NASDAQ. I have 2 streams going. It's funny. YouTube does that shit to me. Yeah, one of them, some people typed in. The other one, some people typed in. Let me see. No, it's Manzer. Cool. Still no trade. Large bid may go lower. You see the bid 40.36 with the 118. It's going to go under that. Told you. 35 went right under it. I'm pissed. I had a Tradeify payout, said Friday processing going to hit by the end of the day, and it never hit. And I got to email them and say, dude, where's my fucking payment? Yeah, that ain't right. That could be trouble. That could be trouble. Hope not, but we'll see. By the end of the day, shall we? I'll be a hoopla of trouble. Trade if I don't pay. That'll be a hoopla of trouble. There'll be a lot of fucking upset people. Always starts with me, though. You know why? Because I start with the firm first. Then everybody else does. I get to the payout first. Everyone else is still trading. They screw me before paying me and everyone else, and they've collected all this money and shit and go away. Hope not. Seems to be a method of operation out there. That's why you got to trade with multiple firms. Multiple firms. Look at that car, boys. That beauty. BMW i8. Look at that. Badass. Ooh, mama. Beauty. 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 4043. Still in rail grind. Wants me to touch it so it can drop like a rock. Wants me to touch it. Excuse me. You guys can watch my replay of my futures webinar. Get your phone out and click on that and register. You can watch it after. It's a live replay. Shows you how exactly to run the business. Nice. 200 people watching. Thank you on Twitter. Love you all. What's going on? What's going on? Moozamil on Twitter. What's up, man? It looks like it wants to go to 50. High-low list is up there now. MLGO, is it over 10? Nope, 9. This one's right at $2. No, it's got volume, 405. DWTX. Look at this. Look, Heinzing $5 right now. Watch. 55,000. Look, and orders going into it. 50, 60,000, 65,000. Look. 67, 68. This thing's going to rip. Look at this. 70,000, 75,000, 77. Heinzing 5.
That's crazy, Mike.
78, 80,000. Heinz 5, 510, 520, right to 19. Look at it. 92,000, 97,000. They're selling at 19. Look at that. 524 selling next. Look at that. 115,000. See the order keep 120,000. It's a market order for 200,000 shares. Let's see when it stops. 124,000, 125, 126, 127, 129, 137, 138. See, I just sold some up there. I'm at 42. See that?
Yes, sir.
See how it works, boys? See how it works? That's how it works, boys. Like a champion. There we go. There's my 42. Told you. Does it on every single stock, crypto, everything. Everything. Let's go flat. No, let's just keep a little bit. Go back on to 5. That's what it looks like. SQQ came down a little bit, 34, 35, coming down a little bit. That was a cool Heinz trade. See how you can do Heinz's all day long on all the stocks. This one's mini Heinz 150. No volume 12,000. No volume 3,000 pass. No volume 7,000 pass. No volume 10,000 pass. No volume 1,000 pass. 30 million shares traded on this one. Heinzing $10. Look at this one. Look at this one. 970. At 990, it's going to go through 10. May go lower here, though. Do a Heinz trade right here. Watch. Add at 990. $85. As soon as it goes 999, there's 10. See, told you. 92. 91, 92, there's 1001, told you. Selling some right there at Heinz. I just sold some at 1001, just sold some at 1018, just sold some at 1024. See that? How it works, guys? On every single instrument, my MOJO method works. Told you. Told you. How come I have an orders thing? Oh, you okay, boy? Look at that one, huh? Another good one. See how they Heinz do it all day long? Do the next one. You can just do it all day long. MLGO, $9. SHSF. This one, $4 Heinz right here at 98 cents. This one's going to go through 4. You can do it all day long. All day long. See that, Panda? Yashar? How was your question last night? What else it works on? There you go.
Yes, sir.
There you go.
Yes, sir.
No question. No question that shit works real good. Real good. Gurr has a history of going big. This stock does. 109. Should go back to 160 maybe today. Trade 50 million shares. Logic Mark, another swing pick of mine. LGMK. Look at this one. 5 million shares at a penny. Little going through Heinz 1. Look at this one, dude. This is a big one. Logic Mark. Oh, yeah. Look at this one, dude. LGMK. This thing could really go. I'm going to just get in this sucker just to freaking market. Look at this one, dude, with a big old ask of millions on the ask. Look at it. This shit's going to rip. I'm going to send it out to the swing. And they got another signal down there at 5 cents. This signal here, this signal here, this signal here, this signal here, this one there. Holy mama, shit's loaded up. That thing's gonna rip like a rip. LGMK, I'm sending that out, baby. That's a good swing right there, boys. LGMKK. This is doing nothing. There we go. There's some moves. 925. Now it's moving. Market's opening soon. Come on down, baby.
Good morning, all.
Hey, Abby. Hope you had a good weekend.
You too. You have fun in that car?
Yes, ma'am. Finally got the car, Abby. Nice, right?
Morning, Abby.
Abby and Mr. Press and my team, my family knows what I've been through and how I grinded and excelled and
But you didn't ever give up.
And
you just kept on at it.
And I never gave up, and I just kept on going at it when everyone told me I would not make it and I'm stupid and I'm making a mistake and go get health insurance like everyone else and go fucking drive to work every day in a shitty car and hate doing it and golden hand. That's what they all wanted me to fucking do. That's the right thing to do. Fuck you all, man. I'm laughing all the way in my car to the bank now. I'm laughing. And then I have other people behind the scenes that always believed in me, always supported me, always had my back. Right, Boba? My dogs. Never questioned me. Always there. My doggy. So have a good dog while you're trading, building your career, guys. You need them.
You sound like my sister.
You need them. Or if you like cats, get a cat, but you need them.
Man's best friend.
Yep. That's a fact. All right, we're getting ready to open. We're dropping. I love it. Let's go. Trade time. Trade time. Let's go. Sharing my screen. Yeah. So in order to get in the MOJO day trading Discord, you have to fill out an application. And then I interview you before you can get in. And if you're not a real person and you don't answer my questions, you don't come in the MOJO Discord, which is a paid member room. Every day in the MOJO Discord, there'll be more than one giveaway of an evaluation account. So the benefits of being in the Discord and the perks are beyond anything believable. In the main chat channel, there is a giveaway this morning, guys. Go ahead and pounce on that. It ends at 11. I'll repost it right here. Let me copy message link at everyone. Contest right there. I sent it. All you gotta do is click on that. It'll take you right to it. And there's only one entry. So there's a bunch of you in here. If it doesn't mean anything to get an evaluation account, don't do it. Beauty. Let's go, baby. MOJO got in for an entry. 21 stop. Back to 25 and above. I'm out. Quick little move. Thank you. Quick move. Thank you. Thank you. I'm out. Let's get ready for the open. Switching to one. All right, here we go. 58, 59, and here we are. Ding, ding, ding. Dipping. 7 entry. filled. Adding and out of one. Adding and out of one. All right, let me stretch it. Watch. So we're going to put it in and add. They took it. Nope, they didn't take it yet. It's at 8. Add, out, out. I have 5 left. Add, out. I have 7. 3 right there. 5 left. Add and put it in. Add and put it in. Add and put it in. Put it in, add. I have 5 left. 4 left. Up 50. 3 left. 2 left. Up 50. 1 left. Up 30. And I'm out. I went from 180 to 242. Here we go, dropping under 40. Tried. Great move off that low. Yes, sir. All right, I'm switching to my next account here. I'm linking a PA, different PA to that eval. All right, there it is on the 40. 1, enter. 2, add. Come out of 1 right there at 20. It's going to go lower. I came out of 1 at 20. They took it. Adding. They just took the other one. I'm out. 257. Made $14 on that. Not bad. Now you say that's not a lot of money. I've done that $16,000 worth.
I was going to say, it adds up. Can you say when you're...
I've done that $16,000 worth in the last 50 days with Apex. Yes, sir. Want to see some nice balances? Look here. These are the Apex PAs. So we go display. All the PAs, 50,300, 50,600. All after payouts, 51,221, 51,172, 51,3, 59. This PA is 268,000. It's up 18,000. This one's up 12,000. And this one are evals, 3 of them. That's how you trade. And let's get ready for the next one. It's holding 40, really nice. 39.97 is the low. Really expecting it to go hit that again and definitely go under that. But the Dow's down 450 and 230 on the comp, so it could come back and really head it under that. It should be at 40.50 with the way the market is right now. Actually, the high's 40.23. We know the high's 40.50. Very tight range here, 20-cent range. Usually you get that on every 1 minute bar. Oh, this thing's rocking. Look at that. Damn. It's all over the place. Look at that thing rocking. Damn, it's so wild.
I call it wiki.
It's wiki. Wiki, 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 wiki. There's a song that wiki, 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 wiki. 40.23 is the high. We've already seen it above that. Let's see what these other things have done real quick. UPXI, look, is $14. I told you it was going to go through 10, right? And then the MLGO through 10. There it is, 987. It's probably going to go through it now. GUR at $1.10, $1.12. I remember all the prices. All right, nice. All right, a drop.
Oh, very nice, Mike.
Nice. It went to 24. Shit, went to 28, 29, 30. Damn. Should dip back a little bit, maybe. Told you it was up here earlier. Nice. Look at that mini Heinz, boys. Told you. 18,000 and fucking change. Yes, sir.
I think man, on 17.5.
That was a beauty.
That was great.
You like that, my man?
Yeah.
Now let's see it drop. It went to 62. Down 420. Down 420 at 420 is 420. Everything's 420. Isn't that crazy? It's fast. But I'm up $257, so let's wait for the next one. It's a long day of moves, boys. Let's see the Dow start climbing. It hasn't done its climb back. Hasn't done its climb back yet. There we go, climbing back. Are we going to 62 and above, or are we going back to 27 stopping station?
No news, right?
Nope.
I'll check for you.
I checked last night. I didn't see any red news.
All right, it's going to start to come back. I think it's coming back now. It's going to go into 30. Told you. Told you. Right? Told you. Told you. Dump. Told you. Gonna come back a little bit. Going long because it's going to go on to 30. There you go. Taking off 1. Taking off 2. Beautiful trade, Moj. Told you. Taking off 1 here on my other screen right there. Adding 1 back. Adding 1 back. Adding another. Taking off 1. Taking off another one. Taking off another one over here. Taking off another one over here. Taking off another one over here. I'm at $329 now. Switching to another PA account on my copier. Now I'm on this one. Let's go. That's what we do all day long. I'm going to take this from 300 to 500 and switch to the next PA. By the end of the day, I'll make $3,000 on that, and I'll make on every PA a lot. With small, tiny trades. Safe as could be. Cars in the garage. Not outside in the fucking Harlem streets. I'm going to come outside. There'll be no fucking wheels on it and shit. Thing will be on boxes. Fuck that. That's quick and easy, baby. Let's go. Dropping. Coinbase is rocking up 178 Heinz. See it? Coinbase 178 in the Heinz. Bitcoin just Heinz 69. Told you 178 in there. That's fucking going nuts right there. Holy shit, everything's going nuts. Be careful, man. When things are going nuts, be careful. Nuts. Got the nuts, man. Got the nuts.
Traders, the power of the markets just got a little sexier. Last week, 10 traders were crowned victorious, each scoring a 50K evaluation account thanks to Apex Trader Funding and the unstoppable MOJO day trading crew. And guess what? We're doing it again this week. That's 10 more accounts, $500,000 in fresh evaluation power, and multiple ways you can enter and win. All you have to do is click the contest link below, follow the steps, and let fate, or maybe just Wonder Lola, handle the rest. Don't wait, don't doubt. Your funded future might just be a few clicks away. I'll be watching and announcing those winners very soon. I'm Wonder Lola, defender of profits.
Defender of profits and deliverer of capital, my Lola. Go ahead to my Twitter, man, and go take advantage of that freaking absolutory contest, man. It's right there on my Twitterino.
Do you have it anywhere besides Twitter?
Nope. Not for the 10. There it is right there. I'll repost it. And I got to give it a like so it goes into my cat. Oh, I got to put it in my bookmark. And here's the link. If you guys want to go do it, I'll put it in the chat room. Giving away 10 accounts. I already gave away 10. Look, right here. Giddy up. There's Lola right there, boys. So beautiful. Yeah, so the winners were right here. Check your inbox with your supplied email or DM me if your name is here. Right there. You know who you are. Go claim your prize. 50. 50. High 62. Dow's down 504 now. Comp's down 292. Making a run at 62. I'm going to go long again, one trade. It'll go up and dip down. The market hasn't come back yet. I'll go long one here. There's the 60 high. Going long another one. And another one. And another one. Got 4. Giving it a moment. Coming out of 1. Coming out of another one. I got 2 left. No, I got 3 left. Coming out of another one. If the trade doesn't happen, I weaken the position. It's like ace 8. Call. He raises. Oh my God. He's got ace jack. He's got ace king or pocket. I'm done. You got to know what the fuck's going on. See? Now I can get back in and replay. I got 5. Coming out of some in the beginning. Got 1 left. Out. 319. I lost $9. Big fucking deal. I lost $9. Oh my gosh. Ban him he's a disgrace.
How much did PW lose? Having 10 accounts linked together?
If that was 10 accounts linked together, I would have lost $100 instead of 10. But he loses all his.
How much did PW lose?
100,000. 100,000. Yeah, they lose 100,000. When the big YouTubers, when they copy trade, they lose $10,000 on 20 accounts. They lose 200,000 in a day. You know, they make 1,000, they make 1,000, they make 2,000, they make 1,000, they make 1,000, they make 1,000, and then on the next day they lose 12,000. That's not a good way to trade. It's inevitable of a blow up. Should have held that last freaking long from 70, went all the way down to 50. Shook me out. It went a little bit against me in the beginning. Look at that one. Holy fucking shit. Did you see that squeeze down?
Oh, yeah, dude. Woo.
Fuck, I was long at 70, dude.
I was packing on that.
You were packing?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Good.
I'm in 1. I'm in 2. I'm in 3. Here we go. Let's do something. Out of 1, out of 2, out of 3. Back at 365, made $40, $52 on that trade. I'll take 52. What you gotta do is make over $50 a day in each account as your base, and then go from there. First, get your base in. That's what I'm working on right now, my base. See, the Dow came back from 5. This was the comeback right there, from 70 down to 28. I called that long amazing. Call that long green bar on the NASDAQ like a freaking champ. Where's that chart? There it is. Look at that green bar Mojo called. This is a hedge spinner. I made $59 over here, $84.50 and $365 and $39.50. I'm making little clips. Don't tell me it don't add up. I got a BMW i8 in the garage from the little add ups. I did it. They all add up. Sulman, what's up, man?
You're a preacher to the choir.
Haven't seen you in a while.
Sir.
Haven't seen you in a
Yes,
while,
sir.
Sulman. 10 seconds remaining on the 1 minute bar. Down 505. Long. Long. Down 513. We come back a little bit here. Long. Long. Don't trick me. Damn, it's tricking me. I got 6. Going to 10. Didn't trick me. 4 left. 3 left. 2 left. 1 left. Adding more. Add and replace. Added. Done. Put it in. Add. Adding. 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 Coming out. Get ready. It's going to look like it wants to push to the high. Going to come out of 1. Now. Adding 2. Coming out of 1. Coming out of another and another. 4 left. Another one. Another one. Another one. 1 left. 2. 3. Come on, Dow, get stronger. Drop. It hasn't really gotten stronger yet today. It's waiting for it to do that move. SPY's at 518.70, ready to head back to 519 on the SPY. ES. I'm going to go long ES too. I'm going to go long MES. I went long MES. All right, it's got to go to 519, the SPY. $519 on the SPY is what we're looking for. Little turn here. Here we go, guys. See if it makes a move up to 519 now. Here it goes. Here it goes. I told you.
I've done very good this morning, Mike, for all considering.
Good. That's great to hear.
Like what you taught me that last Thursday, that was good. At least I got it anyway.
Mm-hmm. Here it comes back. It's trying. Ooh, 4080. SPY's still holding at 518 and change. Down 580, still at 518 though. It's holding.
I'm still short and all in our place. Careful, but
Down 590. Oh, 41, look. Nice Heinz.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Beauty. Beauty. Right to 19.
Very nice rail run. I love it.
Told ya. Told ya.
Yes, sir. Ripped. Down 664. Looks like it's right at 18,000.
520 in the green this morning.
Yes, sir. Still hasn't really done that turn. Big move. Beauty. Beauty. Maybe a dropping now. Nice. Nice. All right, guys. I think I'm done with the Mojo show today. I'm going to go back to the room and maybe do another giveaway. Yeah, but I don't trade with charts, man. Traders, you go watch charts with someone else, dude. I don't trade with charts. Let me cool. I'll stay live. I have 250 people watching. I'll stay live. Well, let's see here. Take a break for a moment. Yes, sir. Mm-hmm. All right. Down 700. Ooh. Let's see. I'm going to look at the SPY move back now, guys, to 517. I'm going to add into 517 on the SPY. Going to add into 50. Not yet. Now. Not yet. 48. Not yet. Now. For the 50 moving higher. Yes, sir. Come on. Give me a minute, Rems. Got to get through 15, 60, 50 to head to 517. Down 677. We should turn around, man. A nice one, too. Told you, let's go. It's 50. Told you, 65, 70. Great MES trade, dudes. Love the MES here. Got 10 left. $75, $80. Yes, sir. Told you. Ching, ching, bada bing. Yes, sir. And Heinz 517. Let's go. Let's go 17. We'll rip through that. Here we go. 75 again. 80. 80. I got 3 on the ask right there. I got 5. I'm going to add more in the 90s. Come out of 3 right here. See, SQQ headed back to 41.20 and 40.20. Here we go, Spy Bone. Heinz me, baby. Let's go. 88 adding, 90 adding. Yes, sir. Heinz in 517. Come on, baby. I tried. There it goes again. Just trying.
You trading MES now, Mike?
Yeah. For the 517 Heinz. Very controllable in the Super Dom. I got 7 left. Trying to buy 2 down there. I'll come out of 2 here. I got to stretch my Dom all the way, though, to see what's going on. Oh, we're right near the low, 5207 stopping station. QQ's done nothing. It wants 517. Let's go. Here it goes, boys. Just trying. It's really not doing nothing.
You generally shorten your MES then, or you just playing it same as SPY, right?
It's not an inverse.
Right, yeah, okay.
I'm long. Well, it didn't go. Now we won 516. All right, Remy, I'll feed you. I got to go feed my dogs, dude. I'll be back later. Thanks, guys, for watching the Mojo stream, and I will catch you on the next one, man. Peace. Keep it profitable, and thanks for watching. I'll catch you again watching my show. Thank you.